The letter C is the third letter in the English alphabet. C for cat, C cat, C for cow, C cow, C for crow, C crow, C for camel, C camel, C for camera, C camera, C for cake, C cake, C for candle, C candle, C for candy, C candy, C for cucumber, C cucumber, C for crocodile, C crocodile, C for car, C car, C for cup, C cup, C for clock, C clock, C for crown, C crown, C for castle, C castle, C for cap, C cap, C for cupboard, C cupboard, C for colors, C colors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.